Hello, my name is Chris Palmer, and in today's video, I will show you how you can create a DA94 backlink that is do follow, that is contextual, and it's indexable. Now, this backlink could appeal to tons of people that have buy intent keywords like buy services, buy products, buy anything, because the anchor text that's included with this backlink includes the word buy. Now, with that being said, it is an authority website. It is located in the footer, and the best part about this is there's two links, one of them being hidden. So let's not waste any time. But before we jump into this guide, this tutorial on how to build these backlinks, piece of warning, once you see where we are going to build these links, you might say to yourself, I've seen this link type before, but trust me, I am sure you haven't. So stick with me. I guarantee to please. Let's jump right into this tutorial. Let's not waste any time. So step one is going to be get a temporary email or an email. Even if you want to use your regular email, that is perfectly fine, but you will need an email to go ahead and secure an account. So I've already started the process, so I'm just going to confirm the email that I've sent from SoundCloud. All right, I'm going to confirm my email. All right, so after we have confirmed our email, the very next step to creating this link, and you could really get into here, I'm sure that you've seen the other walkthroughs, so I'm not going to waste time on some of the profile and the other nonsense that I've seen, but I have used a keyword for my name. You may want to create and make this profile look as real as possible for longevity, but that's not what we're here for today. I want to show you this hidden DA94 backlink. In order to create this backlink, you will need to go to upload and literally upload a little bit of content, whether it be audio or video, because they will extract the audio out of it. So you will need to go to upload. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to upload something very quick for sake of this example. So let's just jump right over here. Before you do your upload, this is very important and crucial to the backlink. Now, please keep in mind that whatever your target word is, they're going to put the word buy in front of it. And I'm just going to drag it right over here. It has been labeled white label services. That's going to be the title. Now, the genre, you want to make sure that you fill out everything that is appropriate, as if this particular video or this particular audio clip is going to be something that you can produce. So I'm going to walk you through that entire process. This is very important. I've had these taken down. Take the time. Walk yourself through the process. It's very easy, but the crucial step here is the title needs to be your keyword, but keep in mind the word buy will be in front when they create the hidden backlink. Now, inside of the description box, this is going to be a prime opportunity for you to go ahead and put in two things. The very first thing that you want to go ahead and put in is going to be a citation, but leave a brief description of your music or your audio, okay, or your media, so that it's relevant to the platform, so it's contextual to the platform. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do now. All right, so after you have filled out your title, which is the most important piece of this, you have added a photo that is relevant, but for this example, I just added the one for the video that you're seeing this on. I've added my custom genre. I've added a tag. I've added details about my music or my tutorial. This is going to be what's going to show, but this date is included. I've also put links to my site along with my unstructured citation. Now we will move into the metadata. This is where you need to start adding in details, and this is where the magic will begin and start happening. So now that we have finished creating all of the metadata, let me go ahead and walk you through exactly what I did and why. Now, there are some key places that you want to put your keyword, and I'm going to cover those first. But remember, when they make the anchor text, when they include the contextual link for you that is hidden, they will put the word buy in front of the keyword that you are targeting. So when they create the link for me, it's going to be buy white label SEO services. So I want you to take note of the key places that I put my keyword. Here, the album title, right? And then I'm just going to go ahead and go over a few things that I have found out. Now, you want to make sure that you put in the artist, put in the publisher, put in the composer, put in the release title. That's your keyword. Also the album title. These two need to be the same. This is where you put your link. This is the contextual link that you will get. You will end up getting two links. One will be just the word buy, that will be a link, and I'll show you this. And one will be hidden that is contextual to buy plus your keyword, which is absolutely amazing. And that's the whole purpose of this Build Backlinks video. So does it contain explicit content? No. So the next step is, but for this example, I'm going to put all rights reserved. Now, after this step, I'm just going to look at permissions. All right. So for permissions, you want to go ahead and leave this as it is. So now that we have created this, you've uploaded your file, which the file name contains your keyword and your keyword only. Now, with that being said, the metadata is where all the magic happens. Make sure your keyword is here, here, and put your backlink here, what you want it to be. But remember, buy will be in front of the keyword. This right here, make sure this is no. And what we're going to do is go ahead and save this now. We're just going to go ahead and take a look at this page. All right, so now we're in a completely different user. This is my original account. So now that we are on our page, I want to just point out just a few things. Now, I did make a quick change to the title because this is what's going to be built in, and I decided to add white label SEO services instead of SEO service, okay? But other than that, here's the page that we've created together. Now we have our photo, which you can let your imagination run wild. This could be a product or yourself if you're building your own brand. Within this audio, it could be talking about your service, your brand, your company, your product. Really, let your imagination go free with this backlink, with this URL, this mini site within SoundCloud. This is your own entity that is ultra powerful, that's do follow, contextual. But in any case, let's move on. We're scrolling down. So I'm going to show you the no follows first. As you can see, when you first go to a page, and this is a different site. So this is my original, not the one that we created together, just so I can show you what a normal viewer would see. So as you can see, what's showing is going to be a great track for internet marketing, help and tutorials with author. You can put whatever you'd like. I just did that quickly. So as you can see, anything that's built within the description is going to be no followed, but no follows still hold a piece of value. Now, let's get on to the juicy stuff. Now, the do follows are going to be right here, and this is one of the links. Now, this is a buy. We're going to right click, open up in a new tab. As you can see, it goes right to my website, but they have added a token. If you can take a look here, it's called a gate.sc. Now, that's like basically going to validate the traffic, that it's not bot traffic or bad traffic going to your website, because I'm a user of SoundCloud. Gate.sc is a token from this platform. Now, what we will do is I'm going to go ahead and right click. So we have one do follow, but that's not the hidden backlink. The hidden backlink that is contextual is built within the footer, and it's hidden. As you can see, look, it's completely hidden, but there is a contextual backlink that's built within. So we're going to right click, and we're going to go here. Let's get rid of this. Get rid of this. We're going to go to right click and then view the page source. So first and foremost, I'm going to just go Control F, and I'm going to look for any instance of my business. So as you can see, here's the beginning part in the description, which is no followed, right? So this is the first instance, second instance. We'll just keep going down. Here it is again. But it's going over. It's all within the source code over and over. My brand name and my service. I'm sure you understand the point of that, right? So it's all within the metadata, going consistently over. That's from all this stuff that we filled out. SEO services and my name and my brand, okay? Now we're going down, and soon we will get to the most important part of this whole tutorial. This is the hidden backlink that's contextual, and here it is here. Footer, Ahref, here's my link, my website that I wanted it to, and then buy white label SEO services end. See, it has its own, as you can see. Now, my name is Chris Palmer. If you have any questions about how to build backlinks, please